Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to have to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is a commercial microwaves, and the model number is 2134G1A. For this model, it coming with the 220 powers, and using the commercial plugs. You can see at the behind the plugs right here. And also the information will have stickers on the side of the units. They come in with the UL listed and the EPL certification approvals. And the maximum powers, they can use about like 30 to 100 watts. And the single phase of the units. Let's take a look at the overall size dimensions. The units entirely about like 23 inches long. And include the back covers, that will be about like 19 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 14.5 inches tall. As you can see, the front, we have the control board manual boards right here. All the functions, you can adjust from here, and the timers, you can adjust from here too. And when you open this door, you can see the inner side. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. Entirely about like 16 inches deep. And 14 inches wide. And the overall height, the unit's about like almost like 9 inches tall. That is all the information about our products. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.